Excuse me, class. I have the hiccups. I can help. Drink a glass of water. Miss Kim, drink a glass of water. Hiccup. Hiccup. Excuse me, I still have the hiccups. I can help. Take a deep breath and hold it. Excuse me, I still have the hiccups. Hiccup. Hiccup. I can help. Leave the room for a minute. May I come in? Boo! Ah! The children laugh and laugh. Hey, I don't have the hiccups anymore. Hiccup! 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 But now we do.